Hello, I am Subrazita and I am here to present our mini research project on COVID update. I am here representing my teammates Rikesh Karmacharya and Rishabh Raghushrestha. The main objective of creating COVID update was to instant check COVID-19 status, to check the vulnerability of the user, to check the latest news regarding COVID-19, to get safety precaution and help numbers. To make our project a success, we divided our task into 6 weeks. Week 1, Literature Review. Our application was a response to the lack of informative development in COVID-19. COVID Update is able to fetch the latest status of COVID-19 and is user-friendly with a simple UI that even a non-tech related user will understand with ease. There have been a lot of applications that do the same work as ours, but the UI have been very complex and it is very confusing to get around. Some of the works that are related to ours are Hamro Swasthya from Ministry of Health Nepal and Citizen, a simple crime tracking application. We conducted a survey regarding the situation of COVID-19 and these are the following responses. People who took the survey had more or less good knowledge regarding COVID-19 and most of the people were frequent mobile users. The idea of a dedicated application was a welcoming one. We have been working as a team for 2 semesters, so there is a good understanding among each other in terms of problem solving and brainstorming. We are creating an application COVID update that is user friendly with minimal and important functionality which helps the user to get access of the current state of the pandemic and know how vulnerable the user is so that the user could take necessary precautions. Most Nepalese are non-tech related people and using a mobile app is far easier than visiting the website for the information by Ministry of Health, Nepal. We intend to create a minimal featured application which can provide easy viewable information with better usability, productivity and user experience. We have tried to make our app as basic and functional as possible with real-time case update with latest news related to coronavirus and a simple survey to test. These types of applications have already been created in the market, so we can't solely say it's innovative, but we have tried our best to solve the cases from the perspective of HCI to make it more usable and universal. The outcome is by far the most viable product with the current required basic features and focused UI. We developed a prototype for the UI interface for the application and asked for the people's response to it. Taking graphical representation into main consideration, we made this design. As we can see from the feedback, the responses were divided. Many users liked the UI design, whereas other users had some suggestions. We took the suggestions into consideration and developed our final product design. The new design gained more positive response from people involved in the survey. The new added graph shows death, infected, recovered, and growth rate way easier to understand. A frequent Android user can easily get the hang of this app. Our application is minimal and contains only important features, thus it allows the user to use the app with ease. The results are also displayed in the form of graphs for better visualization. We got the loading icons, animations, and the sounds which lets the user to know that their instructions of the app are being processed. The user can get every information in our app by scrolling and swiping through the different screens. We have a drop-down suggestion which helps the user to easily find what they want. Our application is totally based on web scraping from Ministry of Health, so the app is thoroughly consistent. This is our application demonstration. Finally, I would like to thank Mr. Sushil Shrestha for giving us this opportunity and making the learning process informative, interesting, and a lot of fun. Thank you.